Hi everyone, so I'm up about 20.27% on the account with a position on a soybean which is losing, and I want to go over the position as well to show you exactly what's going on. And currently it's down about 10% of credit, and I opened a position on August 12th, 73 days to expiration. You can see all the other good stuff. So currently I think SPY is up about 10%. I haven't had any losses so far this year. We'll see how this trade is going to pan out, but currently this is what the trade is looking like. The strikes are pretty wide apart, and the price did increase quite a bit. And I opened the position, so right here, right on this day, and the price was closer to the beginning of the candle. So you can see the price went up I think about 5% since the moment I opened the position. So, or actually not 5%, about 2.45%. So not too much, not too little. Definitely was a big up move here on soybean. Now, as for the fundamentals of the position, there is I think it's the yields for the crop this season is at a 22-year high, and then China is not really buying any soybeans from the US currently because of the trade tensions. They're buying it from Brazil, and so the price did actually increase here on this day because the weekly sales showed a much higher sales than expected. But again, nothing really crazy. And if you look at the seasonality for soybean, so I guess this price increase was expected, and it should have not been, I guess, a surprise to anyone. And the price is expected to kind of go down, and it's just gonna stay within range up until middle of September, and then just gonna drop down. And the red line here is the 5-year average, and the blue line is the 15-year average. So I guess not too bad. The position itself, it's at delta 19, so 19, which is a pretty big delta, and we're only down about 10%. And this is again because volatility dropped quite a bit. So let's take a look at volatility, soybean, and obviously when I trade short strangles, I really only trade volatility. So when I entered, volatility was at about 18.5, give or take. Then obviously it dropped quite a bit. The position was profitable and then went up like crazy again, and then it dropped again right now. So position is doing quite well, and given what's going on with the price and the delta for the position. And that's about it for the account update. Now if you want to join my free Discord where I post my weekly analysis, there's a bunch of cool stuff in here. It's completely free. Just email me below. I do try and keep it as premium as I can, so I don't kind of let just anyone join in, especially people that are not really serious about trading. So if you're interested, just email me below, and we'll talk, and you should be able to join up the Discord. Again, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know. But this is it for the update.